Okay, Connor. Oh, excuse me. So you've had some marks in the 50s. Your last mark was 47, which was pretty poor by your standards. Your best has been 69. Now, this was a hard paper, so let's see how you've got on with it. Okay, so there's your first mistake. So you got 11 on that side. That should have been 228. You need to be doing this without a calculator. I can't see how you could do that without a calculator. It's wrong anyway. With this one, it's an estimate, so that's all you want. Don't worry about messing around with anything else. They just want you to round them off to whole numbers, sensible whole numbers, and multiply them. So you've done more work than you need to there. And you've blown 3 marks there. So 11, 12, 13 for the page out of 18. 5 marks there you shouldn't have lost. That's correct. That's correct. Why haven't you worked it out? 220 take away 40 is 180. 180 divided by 9 is 20. Two marks for that, 5 for the page. Okay, so there's 4 marks for the graph. Your graph is lovely, apart from you haven't labelled it. So you're going to lose a mark for the labelling, or lack of labelling. Okay, if it's in colour, disk and frequency, so out of the 4 marks, you're going to get 3 of them. Write down black is correct. 9 is correct, but it's not 9 out of 16 because there are 40. There are 40 discs altogether, so it should have been 9 out of 40. So for this one, perimeter, no, you're working out areas there. Perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside. Now you've worked out, you're showing me here that you know that these are 6, so you get a mark for finding that, but then that's totally wrong from there. You want the total distance around the outside of the shape. You should be able to answer the area part, so take a look at the clip and make sure that you can do that. 3, 4, 5, 6. 108 people will be in one half of the section. There's another over there. So once you've worked out the 108, you then need to double it. You're not communicating with me as to what you're doing there, or what those sums are doing. So you're not going to get those marks either. So you're going to get no communication marks. Obtuse is correct. Both of those angles are wrong, but you have made a triangle, so you will get 1 mark for the triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's good. It's below sea level, and that's good as well. 5 marks there. That's good. No probability going on down there. Now this was before we did the session in class, so hopefully after last Thursday you would be able to do that now. With this one, not only do you need to plot the points, but because it's a conversion graph, you need to draw a line through them so that you can use it to convert one to the other. So 1 out of 2 for that. 21 times 2 is 42. What's that all about? Where did the 21 come from? You're trying to make 50. So what you do is you take 10, find out what 10 is, and multiply it by 5. 3 for the page. Correct, 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 correct. And C, you should be able to work out then to get from C if you look the x coordinate 11 to 13, you're going across 2. So 19 to C is going to be across 2, 21. And then to go from 7 to 9, you're going up 2. So you need to go up 2 from there to there. Negative 1, 1, 0. Negative 1, 0, 1. 4 marks. Well done. That's correct. That's wrong. They can catch that train, but it's not the latest. They can get on the next one. But that's right for your wrong answer. So 7 marks on that page. That's wrong because that 10 minutes doesn't make any difference. You can still catch the same train from Bristol. So it's only the 15-minute delay on the second train that affects his journey. That's right. This is wrong because 2 is a factor as well. But only one of the 2's, because that's 4, that's only 2. So what you've got should be 7 times 2 or 14. No. So what you need to do with this one, you should know that it lies in a straight line. It must add up to 180. So you know that the first angle plus the second angle plus the third angle must equal 180, and then you solve that equation. That one's correct. That's not how you write an nth term, but you're on the right lines. And I can't see what you've done there, so I can't give you any marks. So 2 for the page. So for that nasty paper, Connor, you have scored 13, 18, 24, 29, 34, 37, 44, 47, 49. So 49, according to me, is an E, and it's 6 marks off a D. But because that paper was so difficult, the grade boundaries were actually a lot lower. And what you would have got with 49 is a grade D, and you would have been 6 marks actually off a grade C. There's 5 marks on that first page that you've blown. So that's how close you are to a grade C. So hopefully, Connor, we've got 2 weeks to go. You can start to eliminate all these careless little mistakes.